Okay guys, we got the package again. This is from flash sale, so I buy again from the Petani Madu official from Pati. Okay, this is the prices. This is flash sale prices. You can call the delivery payment, and this is what I pay. Let's unboxing this package and test. This is a patch for testing. Okay, first find the weak point. I already find the weak point. There is in here. Oh, be wrong, that's upside down, so I must be open from the top. Okay, empty. We open this. Oh, amazing, the packages is still good. And we unboxing this like before. This is very liquid, not like before. Oh, we found the weak point in here, so we can open that correctly. And then this is the facility. This is it. What we buy, I put in the description, the link for buy I put in the descriptions. Once you open this is on seal, and this is another pop off. There's some gas, and you can see inside this. If so hard to see, I will put in here some. Okay, very liquid. Okay, so it's the liquidity like that, and we use a water test. Put some water and shake it around just like this. The real honey will create a pattern like a hexagonal, like they see, like you see. This is what the last remember about them, the memory that they are in the beehive, and that has a pattern like a beehive like that. Okay. So this is a real honey. This is it. Thank you for watching.